guys, welcome back to Simply Forex, the channel dedicated to you, the trader. We want you to be successful in the markets. This morning guys, I hope you got the chance to check out my daily analysis where I look at the currency pairs and which ones I'm going to trade, and also important news announcements for that day. We are now going to reflect on the trading day. We're going to look at which trades I did or didn't take and why not, and also the impact that the news had on today. If you like these videos, if I could ask you to subscribe to the channel and like and share, that would be greatly appreciated. So let's do some post-market analysis. So guys, from my daily morning analysis video, you will know that I was looking at 4 trades today. Okay, and one of those trades was the Aussie dollar against the Japanese yen. So this is the hourly chart. And as we looked at in our morning analysis, we were looking at a retrace to this grey resistance zone, a bearish candlestick pattern, okay, which we get at 7 o'clock. Okay, and then trade the trade back down to the low or even this target here. Okay, so from the top of the screen you can see I made $266 from this trade, so a great trade guys. All right, I entered roughly here, so I had a stop loss at 91, so around 11 pips stop loss, and I got out of 51. Okay, so got out with around 30 pips. So a risk to reward 1:3. Okay, so yeah, a good trade, guys. I opened 2 trades because normally I would leave some on the trade to take it down to this target here. Okay, unfortunately I didn't do that. I exited both trades at 51. All right, but yeah, great trade on the Aussie dollar Japanese yen. The next trade we looked at, guys, was the Aussie dollar New Zealand dollar. All right, so as you can see, we were looking for price to react at this grey zone. We did get a red candlestick here, but that is not a bearish candlestick pattern, especially after this strong green candle into the zone. Okay, then price broke above this zone, so I stayed away from this trade, guys. But as you can see, price has come back down, and price again with this bearish candle here at 3 o'clock GMT. It's now quite interesting to me. Yeah, I haven't entered the trade, but this has reacted at that level. All right, but no trade. I didn't enter a trade on this pair. The third pair we were looking at, guys, was the US dollar Japanese yen. Okay, so again, we were looking for a retrace to this grey resistance zone and then a large candlestick pattern, okay, which again we got at 1 o'clock GMT. The problem here is, guys, it's such a large candle. For me to trade to the low, there isn't much room. Okay, so what I will do, I will see the bearish candle, but I will wait for price to retrace. Okay, so I'm still in this trade. Okay, so you can see that I've entered at 112.95. Okay, because I had to wait for this retrace to give me at least a risk of reward of 1:1. So now, as you can see, I've entered here. Okay, my stop is here, 20 pips, all right, and my target is 22 pips, okay? I'm still in this trade, so let's see what happens. I almost got filled earlier, but it just missed my target. But yeah, I'm expecting price to carry on down, okay? So good trade so far, still in this trade, guys, so let's see what happens. And finally, the fourth trade I was looking at was the euro against the pound. So we didn't really get a bearish candle until this candle. All right, so this happened at 9 o'clock GMT, but it came straight down and hit our target. Okay, we didn't have an opportunity to get into this trade. Okay, so it come down, hit the target. So I'm not really interested in this pair anymore, because it hit the target and as you can see, it's bounced back up. Okay, it may come back down, but after it hit the target, I left this trade alone, guys. Okay, and unfortunately we couldn't get into the trade. Okay, but yeah, so we had a really good trade on the Aussie dollar Japanese yen, $266 in the bank, and we are currently in a trade US dollar Japanese yen short. Okay, so if you like this vid, guys, if you could please subscribe to the channel and like and share the vid. And also, guys, if you get a chance to check out my morning analysis, okay, I do it every day and it lets you know what pairs I'm looking to trade. Okay, so yeah, I'll see you tomorrow morning, guys.